I love the little nook. That's awesome. Fireplace. While we're here, Boulder Ridge Villas, Disney Vacation Club, our first time staying here. So you guys got to see, as we walked in, exactly what we saw. It's a very impressive little lobby area.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
I love it. And
There's no one.
you can smell the wood. I like it. All right, now we're gonna go check out our room. We're in a standard deluxe villa. So let's go check it out. Very, very long hallway. But I like our first time staying here, but the refurb, what they've done is they have painted all the doorways red, or sort of a burnt red. Carpet's really beautiful. Little hidden Mickey. We got hidden Mickey down here in the carpet too. Where do I see it? Right there. You can see it better there. Smells new. They just refurbished all of these rooms. We're staying at a Deluxe Studio. Juan Carlos, go ahead and let us in. Love the new red doors. Love the carpet in the hallways.
Welcome.
And here we are. It's very bright. All right, I'm going to turn the camera over to Juan Carlos. First impressions, though, Amor? What do you think?
It's beautiful. Yeah, definitely you can see that it's been renovated.
Yeah. And as Juan Carlos said, yes, here at Boulder Ridge Villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. It is March 2023, and these villas have all been recently renovated, and that's a hard goods renovation. So all new furniture, new bedding, etc. So we're right in the entryway. It's actually very spacious in here. Look, I can spread my wingspan. Got a big, beautiful mirror, so you can check yourself out as you leave. And I'm loving the new artwork that they put in. These are all watercolors, and as you can see, you got Mickey and Minnie over here. Super cool, staying with the theme of the Great West. All right, so right as you enter, you're in this little hallway, and you've got two important things. You've got your little kitchenette over here, and of course Disney provides you with storage space, and I believe we got some, they're still using the plastic. They haven't changed back to glassware. Microwave, toaster, love the dual Keurig, so you can do either a single or you can brew an entire pot. And of course Disney provides you with the K-Cups as well as Joffrey's coffee bags, which is great. Some drawers, little items that you need. Plasticware, but you do get a corkscrew and a can opener, which is great. And then just some more space. I think that's about it. You get a refrigerator, and here, this is an actual real mini fridge. You don't get a freezer, but it is a real temperature cooling. So if you have medicine and or your formula for your children, or you want to put milk and eggs, you're going to get the right temperature in this, which is great. And some more storage below. Paper towels, cleaning supplies. So there you go. And I'm going to have Juan Carlos turn around. All right, so now I'm in the little nook directly across from the little kitchenette, and this is your bathroom area. My understanding is when the refurbishment, they kept the original doors, so these are original to Boulder Ridge, which is fine because they're beautiful. And this is your closet. Again, very spacious. Inside the closet, you get your iron, your ironing board, your extra pillow and blanket if you need it. And there's also a safe located in here, and very important, a fire extinguisher if for whatever reason you ever need it. And then directly behind me, you've got a single vanity, which is fine, couple drawers for storage, a nice little shelf down below. I really like the lighting situation. It's very subdued. It's not super bright, but it's enough. And for you ladies out there, or men, if you wear makeup. You got your little light up mirror. And then for me, one of the things that I appreciate is that there's actually a door going into the commode as well as the shower area. And one of the cool things that they did in the refurbishment here is that they got rid of the shower curtain that they used to have, and they've replaced it now with this beautiful glassed sliding door. So that's quite nice. The only negative I would say, and it's similar to when they had the shower curtain, is that you only have the one light in here, and when you close the door and you're inside the shower, it's pretty dark in there. Just pointing that out. And then one other thing I'm going to point out that we noticed, because we have been here for a day, we always like to be honest with you. You get a towel bar in the bathroom for your towels, which are your clean towels, but there is nowhere in here that once you want to reuse your towels for you to hang it. Disney has a missed opportunity. They could have put a hook up here. They could have put a hook over here, maybe on the wall in the entryway. Anyway, there's no hooks to hang either a jacket, a hat, your used towels. So makes it difficult, and it's a little too difficult to hang them over the shower door. So FYI, find a way to dry your towels. All right, so now you can see we're in the main salon of the room, and we got a beautiful queen size bed elevated off the floor, which is great because there's storage underneath. You can roll your suitcases under there, get them out of the way. Lots of space. I'm going to point out one thing that I really love about the refurb. Again, beautiful artwork on the walls. Each side of the bed, you've got a night table with 2 USB ports and 2 standard plugs, which is great. There's a little drawer and a little shelf, so there's plenty of little storage right on the side of each nightstand. And since I work from home as well as Juan Carlos, we bring our laptops with us, and if you go over here more, you can show them. The little stand down there is great because my laptop fits right down below. Look at this big giant credenza or shelf unit. You got yourself nice 4 deep drawers over here, which is great. There's a couple stools underneath, which are fabulous if you need to pull those out, and I'll show you what you can use them for in just a minute. But one of the cool features of the refurb is this built-in little single bed. So very simple. I love this, by the way. It looks 3-dimensional, but it's actually flat. And it's really easy. Look, one-handed. There you go. Very cute artwork. You got Chip and Dale sleeping. Love it. And again, not a super thick mattress, but it's perfect for a child or a small adult. And did you notice that? Self-closing, so you don't have to push it. It's very nice and smooth. All right, so next to the queen size bed, we now have the wonderful pull-down sleeper with a couch, which is great. So you got this beautiful new couch, great artwork. You got Donald, Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and Chip and Dale. They're out hiking in the woods, and then very easily, again, one-handed, I can grab it. It's a little more difficult than just the single over there, but this pulls down. This you need to roll away. As you can see, it's a little in the way. But there you go. Now you have your single bed. There is a little difference between this and, for example, Saratoga Springs and some of the other pull-downs that I've noticed. You do have the light switch, but this one does not have the little nooks. The other ones in the other resorts have little shelves in here with an outlet and or USB, but this one doesn't. So important to note, if your guest needs to plug things in, they're going to be sharing the nightstand in between the queen bed and the pull-down bed because there's no power outlets in this area. But other than that, it's great. Check out the artwork. Donald Duck getting shot up by the geyser while Huey and Dewey and Louie are sound asleep. All right, so you might have noticed as we were panning around the room, there's no table and chairs in the room, and there's no desk situation in the room. But what they have provided is this little unit, which is pretty cool. They also have this over at Saratoga Springs. Very simply, you just lift, and you've got a workspace. You got a little dining table. You have storage in there with some extra bedding that they provide. And if you notice those little stools that were underneath the drawers, you can slide those over. So a couple people can be sitting here on the couch, kids can be sitting over there, and you got a place to eat and or work while you're here in the villa. So very functional, very cool that they have this. And again, it's on wheels, so when you open this, you just slide it away. Very simple. And one of the best things about staying at a DVC Deluxe Villa, just a regular room, is that all of the rooms come with either a patio and or a balcony. All right, so as I said, in this particular villa, we're on the ground floor, so we've got a patio. So let's go outside and check it out. And by the way, we just have a standard view. There's nothing extra special, but what I like about it is it's very peaceful and there's a lot of greenery. Cardinal. As we stepped outside, we were greeted by a beautiful red cardinal. That was pretty cool. And one of the nice things about staying here at the Wilderness Lodge and or Boulder Ridge is the grounds. You definitely feel you're immersed somewhere out into the great Wild West. Beautiful trees, lots of birds, and very peaceful, quiet. So it's very nice. You get a couple chairs out here on the patio with a little table. Very comfortable if you just want to sit out and relax. And this is the same as the balconies, which are above. So if you want to just pan up a more, show them some balconies. And there you go. This is a deluxe villa at Boulder Ridge Villas here at the Wilderness Lodge. Totally comfortable, totally nice, and absolutely love being part of DVC.
So there you have it. That's the complete tour of our room here at Boulder Ridge. Mm-hmm. And it's a deluxe studio. Very spacious, beautiful. I love the artwork. I love the little greenery view that we had outside. And yeah, we are enjoying ourselves here.
Absolutely, and the resort itself is stunning.
Yeah.
I mean, the minute you walk into the lobby of the Wilderness Lodge, you're just transported, and it's, yeah.
Yeah, we've been here a few times already, not for, not staying here, but for dining. Mm-hmm. And I loved it. Since the very first time that I came here, I was like, I would like to stay here once. Mm-hmm. And now we're doing it, and I'm loving it.
Yep. And that's one of the great perks about being a DVC owner, is that we were able to use points and book ourselves 2 nights here. And so slowly we're going to work our way around to all of the DVC resorts, and we'll bring you these videos. So if you've got any questions or any feedback, please put it below. Let us know, as we will do our best to answer. And if we can't answer it, we will point you in the right direction. We'll try at least.
Yep.
So with that being said, our mantra is happiness is a lifestyle. And we hope you all are having a very happy day, happy evening, happy night, wherever you may be in the world, and we appreciate you watching, right? And if they haven't done so yet,
please subscribe.
Yeah.
Hit the like button.
It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm if you hit that thumbs up. Do it right now. It's easy. Anyway, we appreciate you watching. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.